So hello guys, in this today's video I am going to discuss about the clinical trial history. Okay, so in the clinical trial history today I am going to discuss about the basically Belmont report. Belmont report, it is one of the most important thing in the clinical trial history. Belmont report, it is established in the 1979. Okay, and there are several features of that particular report, and there are several reasons of that particular establishment of these reports. Okay, so in this today's video we will discuss about the its principal features and key elements and basic purpose of that particular report, and what is the actual goal of that report, which for the what is the basic reason for the including this report in the clinical trial history. Okay, so first point we will say Belmont report, which is issued by the US Commission for the protection of human subject in the biomedical, means protection of the human subject, means we all guys know that the in the clinical trial experiment is carried out on the human subject means what? Volunteers. Okay, means a healthy patient or the patient, those person who is involved in the clinical trial. Okay, so safety of that particular healthy human volunteer in the biomedical or medical research. Okay, so protection of that particular subject in the clinical trial, it is also role of the Belmont report. Okay, so next is the Belmont report attempts summarize the basic ethical principles. Okay, means the basic ethical principles means what are the basic principles. Okay, means the basic laws or governing which are required to follow during the which are required to follow according to the clinical trial for the principle. Okay, principle means nothing but those person who is involving in the clinical trial. Okay, so which guidelines which are related to the that particular principle. Okay, and next is the identify by the commission course of the deliberation. Okay, so now we will see the principles of the Boltzmann report. Okay, so first principle is the principle of respect. Okay, means principal respect, you should do the principal respect. Means principal respect means what? Those person who is involved in the clinical trial. Okay, so doesn't matter those person who is involved in the clinical trial, so those person financial life or any other thing which are not gives any kind of importance in the clinical trial. Okay, means who is a cheaper or a richest person. Okay, so you should give the respect to that person. Okay, according to that particular guidelines which are given in the clinical trial protocol. Okay, so next is the principal justice. Okay, means any another case principal means patient is suffering for the any unwanted situation, so that time principal should give the justice. Okay, so for the provide the justice to the particular principle, which is also included in the Boltzmann report. Okay, and next one is the principle of beneficence. Principle of beneficence means what? Those person who is involved in the clinical trial. Okay, so beneficence should be provided to that particular person. Okay, means that person know the which type of treatment will carried out on that principal's body, or which treatment they are going to give you. Okay, and what is the purpose of that particular treatment on your body. Okay, and then after which types of mode of action or adverse effect can be occur in your body. Okay, so this all detailed confidential information along with the restricted information should be given in the particular beneficence of principal report. So these three points are basically principles of the Boltzmann report. These are included in the Boltzmann report. So, okay, so this is what about the Boltzmann report, means basic introduction of the Boltzmann report. Okay, so thank you guys.